Thanks.
Hey, Zeke.
Yeah,
Hey, Zeke, I want to ask you a question about conscious puppets. What is that? I mean, it sounds like such a contradiction, a conscious puppet, you know?
I got you. I got you. Well, conscious puppet means that whenever we're doing, if I'm grooving around or I'm biting or fighting, that I know that I can just turn around and I can see that somebody's animating me. You know, that's an incredible advantage.
Right, right. And that's interesting because since humans, they don't know what's animating them. They don't know what they're operated by. They're also puppets, but they're just unconscious puppets.
Bingo. Yep, nailed it.
That's interesting.